She has a friend. And they're almost exactly the same size. They could be from the same nest. And they both feed really easy. Oh, you've got a feather on your mouth there, look. This is every 45 minutes-ish. Want some more? Come on, little girl. You need a bath, don't you? I think we have some ants up here as well, which I must clean. There we go, okay. Yep, there you go. Poop. Yep, good sign. Oh. Yes, Tommy. Oh yes, we have some for Tommy. Yeah, there you go, Tommy. Whoa, Tommy likes to be a baby too, doesn't he? Hang on. And I want to give you a bit more than what you've eaten. Come on. There we go. Okay? And you can see, even at this age, she can actually fly. But this little baby, her broken wing has healed in this horrible position, and she keeps catching her foot on it, so I'll probably end up cutting off these feathers because she's not going to fly, she doesn't need them, and it'll save her from getting her foot caught. Even her left wing you can see is hanging quite low, but she's going to be okay, and she's got a friend. Do you want any more? Is that it? You done? Okay.